Glance up at the clock and it's 10:10 again. A little nudge from somewhere, a whispering at the end. Them say it's balance calling, them say it's harmony. A perfect kind of mirror, a moment me can't see. Some signs arrive so gentle, some signs arrive so clear. More pause and feel the meaning every time the numbers appear. Me take it as a reminder to breathe and to align, trusting in the balance of the universe.